Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. One of my favorite ways to reinvent a classic format is through asymmetry, and this week I'm sharing 3 design ideas for the asymmetrical accordion, so let's take a closer look. Asymmetrical accordions can be achieved in many different ways, but this week I'm sharing the simplest way to do it, and that's by creating an accordion with a long trailing panel. This example was an invitation to an open house, and you can see that it's essentially a 5-panel accordion with 4 panels at the same width and the final or trailing panel at twice the width of the other 4. With this technique, you can end up in a rectangular finished shape, which is great for mail because it needs an envelope, but then you get a pull-out accordion reveal on the right side. I really like the connected illustration on this one. Okay, now a larger finished size and a different balance. Still a 5-panel accordion, but this one is not a half and half proportion of the 4 panels to the final trailing panel. This is more like a 70-30 than a half and half, and I like how the word goes from big to bigger when you open it up. It's a nice reveal. This one mailed in a clear envelope. And this last sample is quite possibly my favorite asymmetrical accordion of all time. Again, a 5-panel accordion, but this one takes the idea to the extreme, with the 4 accordion panels being very narrow. It was designed to announce a special collection at Target, and the accordion panels open to reveal 4 models in the clothing. They also added an emboss and register for the dot pattern that has a cool texture, and there's creativity in the color blocking and a distracting teal envelope. Such a cool piece. Asymmetrical accordions, like the ones I shared today, can usually be machine folded, which makes this folding technique really efficient from a production standpoint. So the next time you're thinking about choosing an accordion fold, play around with asymmetry and see what ideas pop up. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.